of the day, and I love Daddy to come home.
Tate, can you tell me about the egg at Uncle Jeff's house?
I found it and it was in Ronkin's hair.
What did you do?
I had it open and rotten egg.
It was a rotten egg.
Yeah.
It was stinky?
Yeah.
How did you hatch it open?
Dropped it on the one tub, then bust open.
It busted open?
Who hatched it open?
Did Uncle Jeff lay that egg?
No, the chicken did.
The chickens did? How did they lay it?
They lay it in the Roger.
Josie, who hatched
How does a chicken lay an egg?
I hatched it.
I know you hatched it, but how does a chicken lay an egg?
Well, I don't know how.
You don't know how?
No, do you, Emma?
Well, some of them have baby chicks and some of them don't.
How does a chicken have an egg?
I don't know.
Do you know how? We'll have to figure that out, won't we?
Yeah.
You tell
Well,
us.
next
I
time
don't
I
know.
see one, I'll bring home and so show everyone.
Okay.
Yeah,
Are you going to show me how you hatch it?
I drove it like this.
Did you sit on it?
No, like this.
Oh. How does a chicken hatch an egg?
It just hatched.
Let me tell you.